What if you could make money straight from your smartphone? Imagine using your device for more than just browsing social media or gaming. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 ways you can earn real dollars using only your smartphone. And the best part? You don't need any fancy skills or expensive tools to get started. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for extra cash on the side, these ideas will help you start making money right away. I'm excited to show you how easy it is to turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. Let's dive into the first method. 1. Gig economy jobs. First up, let's talk about the gig economy. Platforms like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, and Upwork are amazing tools that allow you to offer a variety of services directly from your phone. Whether you're assisting with home repairs, providing virtual support, or freelancing as a writer or designer, the gig economy connects you with clients from all over the world. The beauty of gig work is the flexibility it offers. You decide when and where to work, making it an excellent option if you're looking for a side hustle or need extra income on your own terms. Many gigs, such as proofreading, data entry, or social media management, can be done completely remotely, allowing you to work from the comfort of your own home or while traveling. Platforms like Fiverr allow you to charge anywhere from $5 for simpler tasks to $50 plus per hour for specialized services, such as graphic design, video editing, or website development. With such a wide range of possibilities, you can tap into the skills you already possess, or take time to learn new ones. What's even better is that you don't have to worry about showing your face or having a professional office setup. You can maintain your anonymity by using a logo, avatar, or a business name. For example, on TaskRabbit, you can earn between $20 and $50 per hour for tasks like furniture assembly or moving assistance, depending on where you live. The more you deliver quality work, the more clients you'll attract. And as your reputation grows, so can your rates. Gig economy jobs are a fantastic way to earn extra cash, and with dedication, you might even turn them into a full-time business. 2. Paid surveys and market research. Next up, we have paid surveys and market research apps. These platforms pay you to share your opinions on products, services, and brands. It's one of the easiest ways to make money with no experience required. There are several apps available that allow you to sign up, take surveys, and earn rewards. Some of the most popular ones are Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and MyPoints. These platforms let you earn money in your free time by simply answering questions. Most surveys take between 5 to 30 minutes, and you can expect to make anywhere from $1 to $5 per survey. What's great about these apps is that you can also earn through other tasks like watching videos, playing games, or shopping online. Plus, many of them offer sign-up bonuses and referral programs, so you can increase your earnings by inviting friends to join. While it may not make you rich, paid surveys are a simple and accessible way to make a little extra cash without leaving your couch. It's perfect for those moments when you have a few minutes to spare, like during a commute or while relaxing. 3. Content creation. Did you know that you can create and monetize content without ever stepping in front of the camera? If you love sharing your thoughts, insights, or creative ideas, content creation could be the perfect way to earn money right from your smartphone. The beauty of content creation is that it doesn't require fancy equipment or being on camera. You can start by making voiceover videos, slideshows, or even providing gaming commentary. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are ideal for uploading and sharing your creations. Thanks to tools like Canva, Animaker, and InVideo, you can design eye-catching visuals with ease, even without a background in graphic design. Content creation opens up a world of monetization opportunities. You can earn money through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or even by selling your own digital products like ebooks or courses. While the early stages may seem slow, with dedication and consistent content production, it's entirely possible to scale up your earnings. For example, as your audience grows, you could start earning anywhere from $100 to $500 per month. And some successful creators have turned their channels into six-figure businesses. What's even more exciting is that you can keep your identity and privacy intact. You don't need to show your face or share personal details to succeed. This means content creation can be a great way to make money without sacrificing your anonymity. Whether you're passionate about tech, gaming, lifestyle, or education, there's an audience waiting for your content. By leveraging your smartphone and putting in the time and effort, you can transform content creation into a reliable income stream. The potential is endless if you stay consistent and focus on providing value. You might just turn your smartphone into a full-time source of income. 4. Dropshipping. Next on our list is dropshipping. This e-commerce model lets you sell products online without having to store inventory or manage shipping. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, you can create and run your online store directly from your phone. Here's how it works. You choose a niche, find suppliers, and create an online store. When customers make a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them. This means you don't have to worry about handling or storing products. Your job is to market and manage the store. The beauty of dropshipping is its low upfront costs and flexibility. You can work from anywhere, and your phone is all you need to manage orders, track inventory, and communicate with suppliers. Successful dropshipping entrepreneurs can earn from $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on their niche, marketing efforts, and the scale of their business. With the right strategy and marketing skills, dropshipping could become a scalable income stream for you. You can use your smartphone to track sales, engage with customers, and run marketing campaigns, making it a convenient and profitable business model. 5. Stock photography. If you have a passion for photography and own a smartphone with a decent camera, stock photography could be an ideal way to earn money online. The beauty of stock photography is that you don't need expensive gear, just a smartphone with a good camera and an eye for capturing high-quality images. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock provide a marketplace for you to upload and sell your photos directly from your phone. These platforms are popular with businesses, marketers, and content creators who are constantly in need of fresh, high-quality images for their websites, advertisements, and social media content. Whether it's nature shots, food photography, architectural images, or lifestyle photos, there's always a demand for diverse and authentic pictures. What's fantastic about stock photography is that you don't need to be a professional photographer to get started. As long as your photos are clear, well-composed, and relevant to the needs of buyers, you can begin uploading and selling right away. With each sale, you'll earn a royalty, which can add up over time. While individual photo sales might not bring in huge amounts of cash, the more photos you upload, the higher your potential earnings. Some successful stock photographers make $500 to $2,000 plus per month, depending on the number and quality of their photos. Stock photography is an excellent opportunity for passive income. After uploading your images, they continue to generate income each time they are purchased, allowing you to make money while you sleep. So, if you have a knack for photography and a smartphone in hand, why not start capturing your best shots and share them with the world? The earning potential is there, and you could turn your hobby into a steady side hustle or even a full-time income. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 ways to earn money using only your smartphone in 2026. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, or drop shipping, these options prove that you don't need fancy equipment or a desk job to start earning real income. Remember, consistency is key, and even small steps can lead to big rewards over time. So, which of these methods are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies to help you grow your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.